Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is our 9th day of deals. So let's open our box and see what today's day of deals is. Today is 25% off of backings. We have a huge selection of backing fabrics at the shop. We usually have around 100 backing fabrics in inventory. So 25% off backings will definitely get you set to finish up all those quilts that you've been making this year during COVID. We also have new fabric as always for you, along with some new kits. Today we will start with, this is Alison Glass Art Theory. This is her newest collection for 2020. This is a huge circular design, and this is running yardage, so you can get as much or as little of it as you like. It is not a panel. So I'll show you that side again. There's slightly different colors. And we also have this same bolt with a black background, which I think is actually more striking than on the white. Let's see if I can get that one shown for you. So there's one side of the black, and there's the other side. So lots of fun can be done with those. Somebody just asked me, one of our coworkers just asked me what I would do with it. And I think I would embellish it with some Valdani floss and some seed beads and some French knots and some embroidery. And it can make a really lovely piece just without any piecing. Just add to it. And it would be a really beautiful and interesting piece for a wall hanging. Here is more Alison Glass yardage. This also comes with a white and a black background. Lots and lots of interest there. This could be really fun for an I Spy quilt. You have all kinds of things you can find within those pieces. Next up, this one's also one we're going to want to see unfolded because the colors change throughout the bolt. So another really fun piece. Oh, and look at that. If you look in closely, you can see that there's actually some other color mixed in on top. So that's kind of fun. And that we also have in white, so that's the same fabric on a white background that changes colors throughout the bolt. Next up we have this lovely stitch print, which is something we've seen before from Alison Glass and is always popular. I believe there's some new colors in this collection because I see some brown here that doesn't look familiar in past collections of hers. And then this lovely print, she actually has a quilt pattern that's similar to this print called Feathers. This would make a great addition to many quilt options. We also have new in the shop these tiny little Heron Hill Stitch Company packages. It's kind of hard to see what they make, but we have a picture right here, and we also have an actual sample. This is made by our long arm quilter Catherine's son Strom, and he did a terrific job on it. So these are designed to be created by children, and everything is in the package that is needed to create the little project. So that might be a really fun holiday gift, or stocking stuffer, or a project that you can do with a little one to keep them busy during the holiday break. So that's what we have for you today. Again, the sale for today is backings, 25% off, and I will link to our backings page in the description on the videos. We also have Art Theory by Alison Glass for Andover, and then we have the Heron Hill Stitch Company little projects, and we have a ladybug, a strawberry, and a sloth. So we hope you've enjoyed what we have to offer you today, and we will see you back here tomorrow with a bunch of new fabric by RJR. Thanks, bye.